guys, we've been working on adjectives. Remember, adjectives describe nouns. Now, last week when we were describing adjectives, the adjectives usually came right before the noun, like colorful rainbow or super storm or 15 candles. But not always do the adjectives come right before the noun. Sometimes they're in the sentence, they're describing the noun, but they're not right before the noun. So you have to look for them. So today you're going to look for some adjectives. They're describing a noun, and they're going to describe, like, comparing how big it is. Like, is it bigger or the biggest? Is it the faster or fastest? Is it slower or slowest? So hint, hint, look for some words that have ER or EST on the end, because those type of words are adjectives. They're describing something. So let's look at our first sentence today. And it says, today's storms are bigger than yesterday's. So if we're describing the storms, we're saying that they are bigger. So we're looking at the comparison word. So we're going to circle bigger, because bigger is describing how the storms are today. Number 2, the clouds in the west are taller than those in the east. Well, what's a comparison word in there? Well, the clouds in the west are taller. So taller describes the clouds in the west. So look for the word taller and circle it. It's an adjective. Number 3, the winds right now are stronger than those this morning. Well, if you're talking about winds, they're being stronger. Stronger is describing how the winds were right now. They're stronger than they were this morning. Number 4, last spring's rainfall was lighter than this spring's. So last spring, the rain was lighter. Lighter describes the rain. Number 5 says the river is higher today than it was before. So the river was higher. Now you noticed every one of those words had ER. That's a good hint. Sometimes they have EST. Sometimes they just say it's a strong wind or a light wind or a high river or a tall building. But those are comparison words, and comparison words that describe are adjectives. So today on page 141, it's the page with the little girl and the little boy. On that page with the little girl and the little boy, you are looking for the comparison word. You're looking for the word that compares. Look for the ER words and write that adjective on the line. Just like this, you would have written stronger, lighter, or higher on the end of the line. You can circle it and write the word. There are 8 questions. Go ahead and get started. When you're done, get busy on your enrichment activity or dream box.